Hello and welcome all. Let us discuss today's problem statement. Today's problem is the guests on the cruise. A party is organized on a cruise, and we are tasked to note guests arriving and leaving the party every hour. The host wants to know at which hour he had maximum guests on the cruise. The party is a limited time party and you need to note down the number of guests entering and leaving the party in separate variables. Accept the number of hours in a variable from user. Also, take the number of guests entering and leaving the party every hour in separate lists. Let's take an example. Let's consider the party is of 5 hours. So, variable time contains value 5. Now, let's take the list of number of guests entering every hour, which contains 5 values. And the values are 7, 0, 5, 1, and 3. Similarly, ask the user to enter the values for guests leaving the party every hour. And let these values be 1, 2, 1, 3, and 4. Now, in the first hour, we have 7 guests coming in and 1 guest leaving. So we have 7 minus 1, 6 guests at the beginning of the second hour. Then we have 0 guests entering at the second hour, but 2 are leaving. So we will have 6 minus 2, 4 guests at the beginning of the third hour. Now, in the third hour, we have 5 incoming guests while 1 guest is leaving the party. So, in total, we have 4 plus 5, 9 and 9 minus 1, which means 8 guests at the beginning of the fourth hour. Then we have 1 guest coming in and 3 leaving the party. So, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So, at the start of the fifth hour, we have 6 guests. Finally, 3 guests are coming in the fifth hour, while 4 guests are leaving. So we have 6 plus 3, 9 and 9 minus 4, which is 5 guests at the end of the fifth hour. This makes it clear that, at the third hour, we had the maximum number of guests present at the party. And there were 8 guests. So, this is the problem statement you need to solve today. You will have 1 day to solve the problem. We will come back the day after tomorrow with the solution for this problem. All the best and thank you.